Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video, welcome back to the vlog. So today is a sunny and beautiful day down here at Batu Cave. We are here today to do some modifications, not only on my car but a special friend of mine. I'll show you her car. She's here to do a new heritage group. Today I'm also going to do some modification on my car. Introduce yourself.
Hey, not now, I haven't ready yet.
Wait, what the hell? Hi, good afternoon Taigo.
Oh, I'm so sleepy.
Ryan Chen in the house guys, Mr. Jimny Bro himself. Bro, today got what project?
Today? Today we got project.
Right here bro! Wow.
Oh my god, the lady car!
See, this one is a silver Jimny. See, already got some modification done. But today do what bro? Today what we doing?
I want to ask you also, today what we gonna doing?
Today we are doing some KLC.
Oh, KLC Japan bumper, is it?
Yeah, so we're doing the KLC Japan bumper on this car. Since the lady really like the vintage look, that's what she wants to do today. So he's gonna help me today.
Is it?
Yeah, you're helping me. The hand so clean need to a bit dirty a bit lah. Come on lah. Do some work.
Let's do it!
Okay. So we're gonna disassemble now the front and rear bumper, and then later we bring down the new KLC stuff, show you guys. So first order of business, we're gonna take this front bumper out. So we got a couple of screws here, some clips, some behind here as well. Then I think that's pretty much it. So I think I'm gonna disassemble the front end first. Bo, what are you doing? Oh no, I like to sit under car for living. See this guy? Bumper up. Hands are all dirty already, but front bumper already come out. All the extra stuff, plastic all is here. And at the back here, Bossman already disassembled so fast the rear bumper all come out, reverse camera. So check this out, this right here is what we call the KLC bumper. So this is a rear bumper, this is the front one. This is for the fog light, original fog lamp, it goes to the side here. This is a heritage like front skid plate here. This is the chromed out front bumper, and this is the rear one. You see, a bit shorter, and then it's a bit more vintage style compared to the original one. So this is what the owner Bibian decided to go for today. Then we're going to install it on that car next. Reuse back the fog lamps in the front, so I'm gonna unscrew all of these. Owner come back from lunch already.
Yeah, hi, I'm back. I'm Bibian and I have my silver Jimny here. Yay! Today I'm going to change my bumper here. Ding ding.
See? Wow, very different already.
Yeah, same silver.
Why you like silver so much?
Because this is special color.
So guys, today we're gonna give Bibian the spanner, ask her to do some work. You can You can.
What? Okay.
You assemble the front of the car back together.
Okay, let's do it.
You're working on her own car.
Yes. I must do my own thing.
Then got this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, got that. Heritage.
Heritage.
We should do a custom one. Do one Bibian.
Bibian.
Do one Bibian next time.
Ta-da.
Wow. Okay, this one then we got the fog lamp. One here, one there.
Okay.
So Bibian,
Yep.
can you tell people what you do for a living?
I'm a content creator, and then I do motorcycle, and then I do jeepney, and then I do art.
Why buy Jimny?
Because I choose Peter before, also a toys car, and then I feel like I need to change something else that can play more things. So jeepney is the good choice.
Small car.
Small car, yeah. And then same like Peter is a toys car, cute one. And then this one can off-road like jeepney, but Peter cannot. Volkswagen Peter.
I see.
After this, I want to spray my fender.
Oh, I want to spray the car some more.
Yeah, this one.
Very dirty car. Very dirty car.
Off-road, this one is off-road, what you
Off-road.
know.
Bibian, she's gonna finish up the rest of the car now. Wow, hands dirty oh. your nail sayang oh. Your nail.
Go lah.
Go work lah.
Let's
What?
go
Hey, go work lah. Hey, don't rest. Stop resting. Need to work. Alright, guys. Since today I'm also here at the shop, I think I'm gonna do some upgrades on my car as well. I've been wanting to do an exhaust change on this car a long time. This car sounds like a vacuum cleaner with the original exhaust. So I'm gonna do this. This is second-hand Crazy M. Look at the logo. Crazy M Japan exhaust. This is just a muffler. I'm gonna install this today. Hopefully it's just a quick and simple modification. And then at the back here, I got some tail lamps as well. So these ones are also used one, but I got it at the smoking deal. This one is Japan LED tail lamps. So replace the tail lamps at the back with this one. So should be a quick install. See if I can do it myself. So guys, before I uninstall the exhaust, we'll compare from stock to after I change to this Crazy M exhaust. Alright guys, so this is the old exhaust out of my car. This one is the new one, so you can tell the difference. The tube is, this one is much bigger. The tube also looks like it's a bit wider, bigger diameter, and then the overall muffler itself is much smaller compared to this. So I'm hoping for better sound and then more performance after changing the exhaust.
Okay.
Okay guys, so the exhaust already come out, right? So I'm gonna show you how the Jimny sound without any muffler at all.
I thought you don't want put exhaust.
Put lah, since already have. Later people say I already la zai oh.
The sound is oh.
Wow, you see how shiny oh. Wow. LEDs, wow, super clean. Then compare it next to the original one. Swap out the old, new one. Wow! Miss, you busy doing what?
I want to do something.
Why? Why like that? Alright guys, so a couple hours have passed. This is the final product. We used back the mud flap because Bibian insisted she want to use it. KLC bumper in the back, and then up in the front did the heritage KLC bumper. Look at that. Wow, looks so different compared to the original. Next upgrade is probably the grill. After we done the grill, then she can move on to other modifications. Make this car even more vintage looking. Okay, job done.
Yay!
Bibian, what you think?
I'm thinking I still want to change the grill next.
Still want to change the grill,
Yep.
but then what you think of the bumper and everything?
It's super nice match with my car, silver
Chrome. And then the back one?
light I also
Oh, the light
changed
also she
already.
did already.
Yeah, fender next time. And behind here,
Whoa.
wow, my light is so nice.
Happy?
Use 5,000 can buy a Gucci already. Gucci
Can
also cannot.
Buy Gucci bag.
Yeah.
But modify Jimny more happy than buy Gucci bag, right?
Yep.
Next video, we will see Bibian do some more. And then you see, today I did my exhaust and my tail lamp also.
So nice.
Wow, finally got LED. What you want to say to the vlog?
See you next time. Modify what again? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Ding, ding, ding. Bye.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.